All right, what's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here. I'm out in the nature. These are the woods that I actually grew up in. I mean, when I was a little boy, we used to haul pulpwood down through here. All that field opening that you see down through there, we, planted corn and peas. At least my grandmother and grandfather did. Watermelons and corn, all that type of stuff. Down through the days back when I was younger, we had to harvest, for ourselves. And I think about it now, even though we are in 2025, we're still at a time that where each family, each individual, you have to harvest for yourself, especially when it comes to this internet marketing, affiliate marketing, whatever you want to call it. You have to make up your mind that you're going to sow into your affiliate marketing business, and then you are expecting a harvest. As the Bible says, you're going to reap, what you sow. And if you sow good seeds, you can expect to reap good seeds. And there are a lot of affiliate programs out there, a lot of business opportunities, that are popping up right now that I wouldn't touch, at all. Y'all look here, look behind me. These are muscadine vines, and later on in the summer, these boys are going to be ripe for harvesting. Going to make me a little muscadine wine. All the muscadine vines back there. But that's what I love about the country. This is where I grew up. This is land that I played on, ran through as a little boy, a little child. But getting back to the affiliate marketing business, you have to understand that affiliate marketing is simple, but it's not easy. And you have to make up your mind that you're going to stick with it regardless of what you go through, because everything, that people are putting in front of you, everything that makes it seem easy, those are people that are just trying to take advantage of you. People who are trying to... All right. Now that I've made it back to the other side, I don't know if y'all seen that or not. I had a phone call that might have interrupted the call, but anyway, I had to cross this little water right here, and I didn't want to fall in it and things like that. But anyway, so I'm back out in the wide opening. If I turn around, y'all can see the wide opening space. Man, I remember we used to come down here and watermelons, man, oh my God. When my granddad and them would plant them and them things would get ripe, me and the boys, we would come down through them bushes over there. And we would come down here and just bust open watermelons and eat them right there, where we were. Those are devious things that we did as little kids, back then. And I just remember this area, just from growing up down here. But anyway, let's get back to the affiliate marketing game. You can see all these groundbreaking new network marketing opportunities that are popping up, new affiliate marketing businesses that are popping up. If you go on JVZoo every other week, the same vendors are promoting or coming out with different products and this, that, and the other. And I've gotten past that. I'll be honest with you, my main three things are the HBA, Home Business Academy, MAP, Master Affiliate Profit, and OLSP. And the only thing I have to do is focus on getting traffic to those, affiliate products. I don't have to worry about building teams. I don't have to worry about recruiting people. I just share the information just like I'm sharing with you via now YouTube. I do a few posts here and there on Facebook. I'm not a big Instagram person. I'm not a big, TikTok person. But I will be getting more into YouTube Shorts, and I like to do YouTube long short videos. I need to watch where I'm stepping because there's some ant beds out here, and them fire ants, boy, if they get a hold of me, y'all gonna see a brother dancing here in a minute. But anyway, I'm about ready to go through this hollow, and let me show you what I'm getting ready to go through here. Getting ready to walk up on this hollow. Y'all look at all this. I mean, this is country. This is country. I mean, we can come back in here and do some camping, me and my family and things like that, because all of this is it's like green acres. Anyway, and you need to make up your mind what you want to do. You need to make up your mind, you know, what affiliate program you want to join. Stick with that affiliate program. Focus on one traffic source. Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, it doesn't make a difference. Focus on that. And then build your email list. That is the most important thing that you can do, is build your email list. If you're not building an email list, which is your biggest asset, and thinking that because you have a following on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and things like that, just know that those platforms can and will at any moment shut you down. I just want you to know that, because it happened. I know I'm getting out of focus, but it happened to Wayne Crow, okay? He had a group of 150,000 members, which I was a member of right there on Facebook, and they shut that group down, a group that he had made millions from. So if you think that you're going to just build on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, somebody else's platform, you're wrong, okay? Look, I'm getting ready to go through another little, so let's go here. Here go another little spot. I just come through here with my granddad hauling puckwood and all of that kind of stuff. You know, I ride my four-wheelers down through here, and we just get out here and just kick it, y'all. We just kick it, we have fun. Look at that. Wide open. Green Acres is the place to be. Farm living is the life for me. That's what I like. You know what I'm saying? And I hope y'all, you know, I know some of y'all may be in the city and that's where you grew up, and I understand and things. But hey, that's another little hollow we traveled through right there and all of that. But just look at all of this. Just slow, take it in. 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 Yeah. Country living. But anyway, let's get back to this video. As I walk around out here, I'm going to try to get myself together so I can make sure. Let me turn myself back around. But anyway, my advice back to you is, look, you need to pick affiliate program. Which one is best for you? I have no idea. I don't know if it's HBA. I don't know if it's OLSP. I don't know if it's MAP. I don't know if it's any other affiliate program. You need to find one that's for you, one you're going to focus on, a platform you're going to focus on, and start building your email list by providing them value and things like that that's going to help them get to where they want to be. Okay, so, I mean, you got to understand, it took me a long time to understand this, because at one point in time, it was just all about the money. I need to make that money, didn't care how I got it, didn't care who I got it from. It was just about making that money. Y'all, this, look, there we go. This is something we deal with in the SIP. It's one of them big ant beds you don't want to step in right there. You know what I'm saying? They're a little busy down there. I'm not going to mess with them. So make up your mind, make up your decision. And look, don't let anybody stop you from doing what you have to do. Don't let your family stop you. Don't let your friends stop you. The only somebody that can stop you is you. And that's because you are giving up. And trust me, I gave up. I gave up 3 times on HBA. I mean, honestly, I gave up 3 times on HBA. I didn't, because I couldn't figure out the funnel builder. But once I joined again, figured out the funnel builder, saw the community, I went all in. OLSP. I didn't like the setup that they had in the beginning. I quit. I didn't quit. I was free. But I let it go. I quit focusing on it. But when they came out with the new system, I went back in and I made money. I focused on it. MAP came out. I joined MAP. Now I'm making money in MAP. And now I can combine or share all 3 of those affiliate programs, and it's up to you to make a decision which one you want to join, which one you want to be a part of. And I'm going to leave a link to all 3 of them in the description. You make up your mind. If you need any help, if you have any questions, Hit a brother up. I mean, I'm gonna do what I can to help you. I can't do everything for you, but I can help you and lead you. Because one of the things I focus on, and I said that before, and I'm gonna say it again, I focus on YouTube video. This is my focus. I'm not a big Facebook, Instagram person. I need to do more short form videos, but hey, that's what I do. And you can do it too. So if you want to join one of those programs with me, OLSP, HBA, MAP, click either one of the links in the description. Makes no difference to me, because both of them, all of them have the training that you need, that you want. You have to go into the training. Look, everything, when you come in, there's step-by-step instruction. But so many people come into this stuff, we don't know what to do next. When the videos are laid out for you, do what the video said do. It's just that simple. Why are you making it so hard? So with that being said, look, I'm gonna get ready to get out of here, but I want y'all to look at this countryside one more time. I'm gonna flip. Look at this countryside. We cutting grass down here. Yeah, we making some moves down here. Green Acres is the place to be. Farm living is the life for me. Yeah, that's the one. I can't remember the rest of the word. If we're gonna clean up this shed right here. But if you decide that you want to, join me, either one of the programs, there's only so much I can do for you, but the training is there. If you just follow the training, pick up affiliate program, do the program, follow the training, and then do what I like to do. I call LAT, learn, apply, teach. That's it. That's all they're doing. So, with that being said, I'm gonna let you look one more time how we clean this spot out. Gotta do a little work on that spot right there. We're gonna do some work on that spot right there, but look, just look at it. Isn't it lovely? Bye-bye. Y'all have a good one. Click that link in the description. You want to join either one of the programs. Have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.